Welcome to Multiple Choice Question 1 of the 2010 Mathematical Methods Exam 2. In this video we will be looking at the solution for this question. A reminder that this video is in no way endorsed by VCAR. And now before we get into the question, I'd just like to point out that the use of the CAS calculator may assist you in answering this question. For question 1 we consider the function with the rule f of x equals 4 tan of x divided by 3, and we're asked to find the period of that graph or that rule. So the period of the tangent function, which is different to a sine or cosine graph, is equal to simply pi divided by n, where n is the coefficient of x. So in this case, we have n equals 1/3. So the little trick is there, it's not just 3 or 1, it's the fraction 1/3. So therefore, our period is going to be pi divided by n, which is 1/3. And then instead of dividing two fractions, one thing we can do is we can just multiply by the reciprocal of the bottom line. So instead of having pi divided by a third, we can write that as pi multiplied by 3 over 1, which just gives 3 pi. So that means that D is the correct answer for this question. So on a calculator, you could have used it to assist with finding the value of pi divided by 1/3, which you can see on that screen gives 3 pi. From the examiner's report, we can see that this question was done moderately well, with 60% of students getting the correct answer. However, you can see that B was a popular incorrect response, and students who did select B likely confused the formulas for calculating the period of the tangent function, which is pi on n, with the formula for calculating the period of a sine or cosine function, which is different. It's 2 pi on n. So that might explain the mistake in picking B for nearly a quarter of the students.